How did you do on the backing challenges?
Oh, well, I set the standard. I was first. I had to show them South Louisiana. That's what we do. And perfect score to start backing up challenge off.